Hi there. If you're using the Digitakt and you also have a DAW, in this case Ableton Live, maybe you want to create your own samples and send them to the Digitakt. This is a great way to create your own structure and samples. So what I do usually is that I create a new project. In this case, you see it's called Digitakt, and I go to the Ableton packs and I selected a bunch of them. And I want to send them into the Digitakt. Now what you want to do, if you go to the packs, so for example, I'm in the drone lab packs and I go to the one shot, usually I would right click and go to show in Finder. But in this case, because it's a pack, it won't show me in the Finder because it's a special file extension. So I'll just drag and drop everything that I need. And you can do the same with audio that you recorded with your instrument or a MIDI instrument that you need to transfer to audio so that you can transfer them to the Digitakt. You put everything into your arrangement view and you take them one by one. Of course, you want to make sure that none of them is over 30 seconds because the Digitakts only accept 30 seconds. And you consolidate them. So you right click on consolidate, you see it's Command J. So consolidate them all. And then you go to File and collect all and save. And I selected everything. I click OK. And now when you go to your project, so my project, here's my list of projects. And if I go to the Digitakt, this is the file, the ALS file to launch the project. And this is the samples that we just created. When you consolidate them, they go into a file that is called processed. And here I have all the samples that I just created. So now what I'll do is that I open the transfer over bridge, transfer program from Elektron. It's here, MIDI in, MIDI out, and I want to connect the Digitakt. Digitakt now is selected. I have everything here. I'll just create a new folder and I want to call it song mode. Song mode, yes, confirm. And once I'm here, I'll just go to open the new file that I created into the Digitakt. I'll select everything so I can just filter by type. And here they go into the Digitakt, so now I can get to play with them.